So I'm at the Wentzville car cruise and the lighting is perfect. And this truck is amazing. So it's an F350 custom, as you can see, from Defiance, Missouri, which is not too far from here. And there is a dog from every town as far as vehicles. And this is so cool. So I just wanted to take a moment and shoot this. So this would lift up, dump out the grain. I don't know what's in the bed, but it is a farm truck. And it is a very cool farm truck. I would say it's probably a early 70s farm truck, but the lighting is perfect. And I just wanted to take a walk around shoot. And I love the side mirrors and the marker lights on top. And it was just too good to pass up. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.